Tired of plain water? Craving flavor without the sugar crash? Get ready to elevate your daily hydration with delicious, natural infused waters and soothing herbal teas. These simple recipes will transform your sips and make staying hydrated a true delight. Plain water is good, but sometimes you need a little extra something. Infused waters and herbal teas are your secret weapon for staying hydrated and feeling great. They're packed with natural goodness and zero junk. Imagine vibrant flavors from fresh fruits and herbs, all without added sugars or artificial ingredients. These drinks look beautiful, taste incredibly fresh, and are endlessly customizable for any season. The best part? They're incredibly easy to make. Most recipes take less than 10 minutes to prep, proving that healthy hydration doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need fancy gadgets to become an infusion master. A few basic kitchen items are all it takes to get started. Grab a glass pitcher or a large mason jar, ideally 32 ounces or more. Glass is best as it won't leach flavors. You'll also need a cutting board and a sharp knife for slicing. For herbal teas, a kettle and a tea strainer or infuser are essential. Let's dive into some of our favorite quick prep recipes. Each one offers unique flavors and benefits, perfect for any time of year. This classic combination is incredibly refreshing and perfect for warmer days. It's light, crisp, and wonderfully hydrating. You'll need half a cucumber, thinly sliced, and about 10 fresh mint leaves. Add these to your pitcher, gently bruising the mint leaves first to release their aroma. Fill with 4 cups, 1 liter of cold water. Chill for at least 1 hour. Remember to remove the mint after 12 hours to prevent any bitterness. This water is best enjoyed within 2 days. This zesty and warming infusion is fantastic anytime you need a little pick-me-up. Ginger offers a gentle spice, while lemon provides a bright, citrusy kick. Slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and half a lemon. Add them to your pitcher. Pour 4 cups, 1 liter of hot water over the ingredients. Let it steep for 20 to 30 minutes for a hot drink, or chill for 1 to 2 hours for a cold version. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother drink. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days. When you need to unwind, this soothing herbal tea is your perfect companion. Lavender and chamomile are known for their calming properties, making this ideal before bed. For this tea, you'll need 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers and 1 teaspoon of dried lavender buds. Add your herbs to an infuser or directly into your mug. Pour 2 cups, 500 milliliters of hot but not boiling water over them. Steep for 7 to 10 minutes, then strain if needed. This tea is best enjoyed fresh, but can be chilled for up to 24 hours. This unique blend offers a sophisticated twist on infused water. The earthy notes of rosemary beautifully complement the sweet, bright flavor of orange. Slice half an orange and grab 1 fresh rosemary sprig. Add both to your pitcher. Fill with 4 cups, 1 liter of cold water. Chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld. This delightful infusion will stay fresh in your fridge for up to 2 days. Making your drinks look as good as they taste is part of the fun. Glass pitchers are always recommended as they keep flavors pure and look elegant. For an extra touch, try freezing chopped fruits or herbs in ice cube trays. These flavored ice cubes will keep your drinks cold without diluting the taste, and they look fantastic. Garnish your creations with citrus wheels, fresh mint sprigs, or even edible flowers for a truly impressive presentation. The beauty of infused drinks is their versatility. You can easily switch up ingredients with the seasons. In summer, try watermelon, basil, or strawberry lime. Fall brings delicious apple cinnamon or pear sage combinations. For winter, cranberry orange or thyme lemon are wonderful. And in spring, pineapple mint or cucumber rosemary offer refreshing options. Infused waters and herbal teas are simple, natural ways to make hydration enjoyable and beneficial. No added sugar, no artificial junk, just the pure goodness of plants and water. Whether you're preparing for a brunch, trying to cut down on sugary drinks, or simply want to drink more water. These recipes are flexible, fast, and easy to keep on hand. Ready to transform your sips? Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more practical home cooking ideas, and share this video with a friend who needs a hydration boost. Let us know in the comments below which infused drink you're excited to try first.